Hi everyone, today natin ang activity about C Sharp, and our topic for our activity for today is about hotel room pricing. So, more din siya ang questions. Nasa diri ang kada standard ba siya, and etc. So let's start. Nagamit dito using system para this includes the system namespace yun. So baka access siya ang console for input and output operations. So next is we have the public class hotel room pricing. So kanina siya everything is contained with a class. Muna siya public class, and this is the entry point of the program. So entry point siya sa atong program na C Sharp. So next, the public static void. So this main method is the starting point for the program, and also special method na siya sa C Sharp. Then that gets executed first when you run the program. So i-run the minimum mo din sa atong program. Then next we have the console.write. Enter room type standard, deluxe, or suite. So kaning line ay displays a prompt asking the user to enter a room type. So magpili siya na sa tulo, and then gigamitan siya og lowercase using to lower. So this is done to make the program case insensitive. So now na yung purpose. So next we have the string. Mo siya to lower. We have the console to write. Enter a number of nights. So nasa in number of nights, and then nag-while. So kaning line day, this block ask for the number of the nights that's the user wants to say. So pila siya ka gabi mo stay in hotel. So it uses the int that try parse to check if the user enter a valid integer. If the input is valid, that number less than or equal to 0, it asks the user to re-enter a valid. This is invalid room type. So mo na siya ang kinahanglan. Next is we have the console.write. Boring na sa this line, ask where the user is so mga din na siya console.write. So para ito kanina kani console.write is the customer if they remember yes or no. So kaning line day, this ask whether the customer is a VIP member or no. It converts the answer to lowercase for case insensitive comparison. So mata na siya VIP o siya or G. So next we have the kani nag-double ta diri price. So this block displays the price per night. So based on the room type entered by the user. So pila siya ka-adlaw na stay, and then what type of room siya, what type of room iyang gipili. So if the room type is standard, then the price is 100. Then if it is deluxe, the price is 150. And then it is suite, the price is 250. So mo na siya. Then ang default din console.write and ang ipapata na invalid room type in case nga lain yang na-type baron. So invalid room type, then return. So 3,000 double base price per night then asterisk will be multiplied number of nights. So kaning nga line ay calculates the base price by multiplying the price per night by the number of nights the user entered. So mo na siya times na siya. And then the double discount is double discount mo is equals to 0 mo na siya. Then ang kaning nga kanay is black checks if the customer is VIP, if the customer is a VIP. The answer was yes, or the answer was yes. The program applies a 15% discount to the base price. So mga discountan daw yung base price tungod kay VIP na siya. So mo na siya ang pagkita natin ay nakatadere sa double discount. Mo na rin sila double discount. Sila yes, then discount this price i-multiply, then double total price is equals to base price negative by the discount negative siya gikuhaan. So this line calculates the total price by subtracting the discount from the base price. So na-discount na ang price katong total price kanina. So next is last, the console that right total hotel bill, then total price. So mga na din overall total so tanan katong na-discount na multiply na discount na and then total. So this line prints the total whole bill formatted to two decimal places using the F2 format string. So nag-close the curly brackets sa public static void and then the close curly brackets sa public class sa kanya itong gamit class, and then mao ito